In this video, we are going to see how to monitor the HMI status in CMTViewer app. So this app is available once you install EasyBuilder Pro. So all you have to do is just go to your Windows and search for the app. And once you open this app, you will see this window. And in this default window, you have to add your HMI IP address. That's it. So just click on this plus icon. And here you can enter the IP address. If this is not listed, I have already added that. And once you add, you will see your HMI model number as well. So click on the plus icon, and then it will ask for the default password, which is 111111, and click OK. Once you do that, it will download the project in your app, and you will see the same simulation in this window. Similarly, I have installed this app in my iPhone, and I've done the same thing in my Samsung. So this is working on the Android OS, and this is on iOS. So once you do that, you can see the simulation in all the devices which are accessing the HMI via this app. So let's see how the results will look like. So initially we'll see in my HMI, I have a button and one current time and a motor output. So if I turn it on, you will see the same status in my phone and in my Android tablet as well, also in this Windows application. So all these apps are actually reading the data from the HMI. Okay, and not only this, you can also control the HMI from these apps. For example, if from my computer, I can turn it on like this, and you will see the same simulation in all the devices. And this is how you can turn it off. If I want to control it using my tablet, I can just go there and press the button, and it will also execute the same thing. Similarly, I can also do that from my phone. So it doesn't matter if you have number of devices connected to your HMI, they can monitor and they can also control the application. You can also give some password to these buttons so that you don't authorize everybody to control your buttons. So you can just give the password so that only the one who knows the password can control the switches. Otherwise, they will just monitor it. All right. So I hope this gives much idea about what you can do with this Weintek HMI, and you can have multiple interfaces in your smart control devices. So thank you for watching this video. The links for this app is given in the video description, and you can download this app from there. If you have any questions, you can write me in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video.